Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore a useful setting in the DuckDuckGo browser on mobile that allows you to open new links in a new tab. This feature is very helpful for. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings to access the DuckDuckGo browser configuration page. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the option called Private Search. Tap on Private Search to open more search-related controls. Next, tap on More Search Settings to see advanced search options. Scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled Open New Links in New Tab. Finally, turn on this option by tapping the toggle switch next to it. Once this setting is enabled, any link you click from search results will automatically open in a new tab, allowing you to keep your current page active while exploring new pages. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others.